welcome. Welcome to another video on this channel. This channel is great. I love this channel. Nothing weird's gonna happen, but you can already tell what we're doing. Doodle. Tier list. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. It's a Monday morning. Not really, actually. It's like a Monday afternoon. But we're gonna do. Yeah. I don't know any of the names. I just gonna go on design. This. It just looks like a deer. It kind of looks cool. Maybe. I don't know, man. Yeah, okay. Sure. I mean, it's just, oh. I can't do that. Is this supposed to be a proper intro? Should be this? I'm keeping this in, but like, am I supposed to? Today, guys, we're gonna be putting a tier list on what Doodle I'm gonna day. Someone's gonna look at this video and say, "What is this guy doing?" I mean, it's kind of scary. Obviously. I'm not gonna say anything. Kind of looks like a drug deal. Not really. Maybe? No, not really. This maybe. Yeah. It's gonna stab me. There's no way. Yeah. Looks like a marshmallow. No. Dude, I'm losing brain cells doing this. Yeah. No. I don't like bugs. But obviously, but no. Just, wait. Sure. I mean, maybe? No, I don't like dogs that much. Guess we don't talk about it. No. It's a bird. Why? No, wait. What is this? Why would I want to? Just no. Obviously. No. Maybe. Yeah. There we go. Go. Just kind of kill. Just sure. No. Too old. They just made fun of elder people. How many doodles? Either I gotta speed up or I'm about to be here for 1 hour. I'm gonna. Party bug. I actually dislike party bug. It caused me such a hard time in like this one battle. No, never. Is there like, can I make it? Okay. Maybe. Nah. Dude, such a mean person. Yeah. Pilpo, my boy. Yeah. Dude, also. Yeah. Nah. No. No, I'm not afraid. Guys, you got the wrong idea. You got just for that? Yeah. Yo, I want this. What is this? Can I get this? Is this like, can I get this in the wild? Look at it. Look at the eyes. They don't even look like eyes. Okay. How do I? Yes, please. Oh, guys, I couldn't find a better one. No, this is why I didn't want to do it. No, 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 no. No. No, dude, I'm so. Look at this. Either I gotta be more supportive or just no. Wait, hold up. Just before anything. Okay, just I know we have to go in order, but like I'm sorry. Dang, dang. This video's full of cringe. Someone's probably like a skeleton at their computer. Maybe. This just looks like, what's that thing from Pokemon? What am I trying to think of? Last evolution. I don't. It's, what is it? Sceptile. Yeah, that's what this is. No. 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 Yo, my boy Pebbled though? Yeah. I don't know. I love this thing as well. Yes. Not as much, but sure. Oh no. No. Can I make a wait? Oh yes. Wait, hold up. What am I doing here? Oh wait, I'm editing it. Wait, no. Can I add it? Hold up. Yeah. Hold up. Okay, so just hold on one sec. Let me just. There we go. Yeah. Oh, what? Did I spell that wrong? Okay. Yes. I hate this thing. There's just something. You as well. Get out of here. Okay. Some people are gonna get mad. I don't like Riffrat or the evolved form. Scorpit. No. But I mean, like, kind of hot, you know that. Man, our jokes are so stupid. No. 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 I mean, I put maybe. No, why did I say no? Oh, you should. No. No. I'm not choosing randomly. If you think I'm choosing randomly, you're weird. I'm just thinking fast, but like I want to speed through these, but like I don't want to take too much time. You just gotta what is this? It's depressed like me. Yep, obviously, sure, relatable. That was a joke. No, I hate this. What is this? This looks disgusting. Get out of here. Oh, dude, what the heck? This looks fire. What the heck? Get it? No. Dude, what? Why? Why does this exist? Why does this exist? Oh, Moss, though? Wait, Moss is kind of better. No, I can't do that. Yeah, no, not really. No, what the frick? No, no. I mean, it could be pretty smart, get it? Cause it's sharp. I think like everyone just subscribed after that joke. No. Man, I'm so evil. Wait. Yeah. Wait, we're on the final stretch, boy. Oh yeah, hold on. Isn't this like have a new forest skin? Yeah. No, but that's going for skin. I'm trying to think of a date. What am I? just for extra points, guys. It's extra points for the new Flurry skin. Whoever made that, I shouldn't be clapping, cause like loud. I like mold. It's sad. It's relatable, you know. What? No, no. What the heck? Why is my mouse like that? No. Maybe. Yeah. What? No. What? No. Oh, I hate you. Actually, yeah. You both die. No. No. Sure. Alright, that's it. I don't. If you guys want to do this, you can like try it. I don't know. I mean, this is kind of fun actually. Doing a new variety of videos, even though it's still Doodle World. Yeah. Well, that's it. I'm never doing this again, unless this video gets like a like. I'm not. Fine. If you want like a suggestion, I'll do it. Just like put in the comments, and I'll like choose one. I'll do one. I don't know, man. This outros, okay? Alright. See you.